kilig factor, direct. And paano naman kayo, if meron, paano naman yung pakilig nyo dito? Level up na ba?
How much can we share without spoiling? I would say, of course, it's given our characters are already together sa show. I would say, though, the difference is that our characters have a very much different relationship dynamic as kay Elise and Sevi. So that's just something that you'll have to, watch out for, look forward to. But yeah, there will be some kilig factors.
Sa meron.
Yeah, like what Direk said, yung si Pat kasi malalim rin siya na tao compared sa una kong sa Chasing in the Wild, which is Sevi. And parang 360 talaga yung pinagkaiba nila. So, it's really like different character yung mabibigay ng situation here. And it's basically not pangpakilig yung yung story. It's all about, heist. So, pero syempre, meron pa rin si Pat and Grace ng mga ganun na kilig scenes.
Thank you, thank you.
Just to add lang dun sa character nila, ibang maturity yung level yung romance nila dito na kailangan niya umagal. So,
Thank you.
Okay, more mature.